Today we are going to learn some important relations of sin theta, tan theta and cos theta. So now if I take my left hand, so my thumb will be 0 degree, my first finger will be 30 degree, 45, 60 and the smallest finger will be 90 degree. For sin theta the formula is square root of fingers below upon 2. So for example, if I want to find sine 90, so that will be fingers below 90 degrees. So my smallest finger is 90, so fingers below that is 4. So root of 4 upon 2. So that will be 2 by 2, so which is equal to 1. Then if I say sine 30, so fingers below, so only one thumb, so root 1 upon 2, so that will be 1 by 2. Same way I can do for sine 60, so 3 root 3 upon 2. 3 fingers are below 60, so root 3 by 2. So root sine 45 will be root 2 upon 2 upon 2. That will be 1 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 get cancelled, so 1 by root 2. And to find sine 0, I will fingers below. So that is no fingers, so 0 by 2. Root 0 by 2. So that will be 0 by 2. 0. So this is an easy way to remember the table of sine theta. Now same way going for cos theta, so we have to consider the fingers above. So now if I fingers above, so suppose if we are find cos 0, so cos 0 will be 4 fingers are above thumb. So root 4 upon 2. So that will be 2 by 2, that is 1. Then cos 30 degree will be equal to cos 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be root 1 upon 2. So 1 by 2. Cos 45 or 90, if I take, so 0 fingers above. So 0 upon root 0 upon 2. So that is 0. Cos 45, 2 fingers are above, so root 2 upon 2. So that will be equal to 1 by root 2. Now for tan theta, it is the square root of fingers below upon square root of fingers above. So sine upon cos I am doing. So tan 0 will be how many fingers below? So 0. So root 0 upon fingers above. So 4 fingers. So root 4. So 0 by 2. So that is 0. Now tan 30 will be root 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3. Same way tan 45 will be 2 above, 2 below. So root 2 upon root 2. So that is 1. Tan 60, 1 finger is above, below are 3. So root 3 by root 1. So root 3. Tan 90, if I do, root below are 4. So root 4 upon 0. Above. So 0. So that will be 2 upon 0. So not defined. Now for cosec I have to just reverse sign. For sec I have to reverse cos, and for cot I have to reverse tan theta. So whole table is done. Now coming to exercise 8.2, question 1, first one says evaluate sine 60 cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. So we will be using the sine theta and cos theta table. So sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 60 will be root 3 by 2, cos 30 will be equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 60 will be 1 by 2. So now putting the values, so I will get sine 60. So root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60. So 1 by 2. So that will be 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So that will be 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. Now second one is 2tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. So again sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 will be root 3 by 2, and tan 45 is 1. So putting values, so 2 tan square, so 2 into 1 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square got cancelled, so answer is 2. Then third one is cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cos sec 30. So putting the values directly, 1 by root 2 whole upon sec means 2 by root 3 plus 2 by 2. So that will be 1 upon root 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. So if I multiply with reciprocal, so I will get 1 upon root 2, that is into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. So root 3 upon root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So that will be root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If I multiply by, to rationalize the denominator, I am multiplying it with coincidence. So into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So that will give me as 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. So 18 upon 2, for 2 square will be 4. So 4 into 2 minus 4 into 6. So this will be 2 root 6. If I take 9 common out of 18, so that will be 6 root 2. So 3 root 2 will be inside. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 root 2 upon 8 minus 16. So minus 16 came. So that will be 2 root 6 plus 3 root 2 upon 16. The negative sign I have taken up. Now I am taking 2 common from both. So 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. Now fourth one, sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So putting the values, 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 2 upon root 3 whole upon 2 by root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now doing LCM in the numerator and denominator. So 2 root 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 whole upon, again the denominator is 2 root 3. So 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So now denominator got cancelled. So 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. Again multiplying with the opposite sign to rationalize the denominator. So read 3 minus into 4 minus 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 upon 4 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. So that will be 12 root 3 minus 9 into 3. So 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3 whole upon minus 11. So that will be 24 root 3 minus 43 upon minus 11. Now minus sign I am taking up. So 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. Fifth one, pi cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So that will be pi into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So this will come as pi by 4 plus 4 4s are 16, 16 upon root 3. Or I can write 4 into 4 root 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Pi upon 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 whole upon 4 by 4. So that is 1. So now LCM is 12 in the numerator. So 15 plus 64 minus 12 whole upon 1. So that will be 67 upon 12. Now question 2, first one says 2 tan 30 whole upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree will be equal to sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 or sin 30. You have to find the correct alternative. So 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30, let us put the value and check. So that will be 2 into tan 30 will be 1 upon root 3. 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So that will be 2 by root 3 whole upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 whole upon 3 plus 1 by 3. So now if I bring them in the normal form, 2 upon root 3 into 3 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are root 3 ones are root 3 twos are. 3 by 2 root 3. I will be left out. So 3 if I cut as root 3 into root 3, so root 3 cut. So root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is sine 60. Then second one, 1 minus 10 square 45 degree whole upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree. Options are 10 90 degree, B 1 C sine 45 degree, D will be 0. So let us check that also. 1 minus 10 square 45 degree. So that will be 1 square, 1 plus 1 square. So that is 1 minus 1 upon 2. So 0 by 2. So that is 0. D is correct. Now third one, it says sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true when a is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, or D is 60 degree. So sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. So LHS will be sine 2a. So 0 degree if I do, so sine 2 into 0. So that will be 0. RHS will be 2 into sine. So 2 into sine 0. So 2 into 0. So that is 0. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Fourth one says 2 tan 30 degree whole upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to, the options are cos 60, B is sin 60, C is tan 60 degree, D is sin 30 degree. So solving 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree will be equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 whole upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So that will be 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 upon 2. So 2 cancel. So root 3 will be my answer. So that is tan 60 degree. Now question 3 says tan a plus b equal to root 3 tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3. The a plus b is less than 0 and greater than or equal to 90. And also a is greater than b. So tan a plus b equal to root 3. So root 3. So tan 60 equal to root 3. So I can write tan 60 equal to tan a plus b. So a plus b equal to 60 degree. So that I am giving as one number. Now tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3. So again I can say that tan 30 degree equal to tan a minus b. So a minus b will be 30 degrees. So two number. So solving 1 and 2, a plus b equal to 60, a minus b equal to 30. So So B cancel. So 2A equal to 90. So A is 45. A is 45 degree. Putting A equal to 45 in 1. So that was A plus B equal to 60 degree. So 45 plus B equal to 60. So therefore B equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. Now fourth question says sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. And we have to say whether it is true or false. Let A equal to 60 degree, B equal to 30 degree. I am taking any two value and trying to solve it. So sin A plus B will be equal to sin 60 degree plus 30 degree. So that will be 90 degree. So sin 90 degree will be equal to 1. So LHS I have solved. Now let us solve RHS. So sin 60, sin A plus sin B. So that will be sin 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. So that is equal to sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 plus 1 whole upon 2. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore it is false. Second one is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Here first I am taking sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 equal to 1. So therefore value of sin theta increases as theta increases. As theta increases. So it is true. Now third one, the values of cos theta increases as theta increases. So here cos 0 will be 1, cos 30 degree will be root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 will be 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. So therefore it is false, as value of cos theta is decreasing from cos 0 to cos 90. Fourth one is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So to prove this, I can take sin 30 only, simple, theta is 30. So sin 30 will be 1 by 2 cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore sin theta 30 is not equal to cos 30 degree. So therefore I can say it is false. Fifth one, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So cot 0 will be equal to cos 0 upon sin 0. So cos 0 is 1 upon 0. So that is not defined. So therefore it is true.